6 girl beat ya. But not tell no lie. You deserve it.
Thank you, dude. This is really appreciated.
My gun goes up Peshengwengweng.
Hey, 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 hey. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. But before we get right into it, I forgot to tell you about my t-shirt right now, and it is courtesy of Gifted by Veronica. Now them have all kind of shirts with different slogans and little words and them got something there. I'm not gonna lie, very nice, and the material, it's smooth like when your head back just don't get trimmed. And also Gifted by Veronica also does custom gift packages like the one on the screen over here. So, and in it you can get one of these lovely t-shirts with a matching mask. You can get a China mug, as well as one of the Michelle Obama Becoming book, and any other thing you want in the basket because for your own, customize it. And so to place your orders, you can go ahead and just call this number right here. So forget one of them like a nice t-shirt here, as well as if you want one of the gifted packages for whosoever for Christmas, you can go and send her a message on Instagram at Gifted by Veronica. Alright, so anywho, let's get into the countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened of the week, yo, just tune in, Zin.
Number 10, Benz giveaway. Me care wash, my word. So Burritos, this took over Twitter the whole of this weekend. Was it this weekend? Yes. And so this gentleman by the name of Billionaire, he took on, he went to social media to basically have this promotion where he would be raffling or giving away a Benz.
Who gives away a Benz in a pandemic? Not the parents. I really just think about it. The parents not doing that. Not your school, and you spend millions of dollars with your school. Not your bank that you bank with. This prize, that's a Benz. The Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. Second place prize, that's $250,000. Third place prize is $100,000, and fourth place prize is $50,000. Winners win, winners take advantage of opportunities. Billionaire forever.
And so when me hear about it, me like, oh, this seemed interesting. And then now, I guess social media, everybody was in anticipation, waiting to see if this is actually something true. Now, me do a little bit of digging and I find out, say, apparently he is, he does Forex training, where I'm training people on how to, like make money online and all of these things. And I guess with this thing, you had to sign up. So when you went on his page, you're going on the link, and you have to sign up to him Forex website, where it must have cost like 50 USD. And that would also, give you an opportunity to get a raffle number to be a part of the winnings to potentially get this Benz.
Something alright, yeah.
And please be reminded that it's alleged that apparently this never really take place with none of what you call it, like the betting gamings and lottery commission. No, them never did supervise this at all.
We're gonna raffle the Benz now. We're gonna raffle the Benz. We're gonna raffle the Benz. Randomly selecting the winner. We're gonna raffle the Benz now. We're gonna raffle the Benz now.
People started to just like call out Pamoka. People all point out, say at 1 minute, on the ad it was a black Benz, and then all of a sudden no, it is a brown Benz. So people are saying all kind of like unscrupulous things might have been her hands the way. And according to what me I hear say have quite a little pass off a little.
We have the Benz. Ticket number 100 and 83. Winners win. Winners just win a Benz.
So right about now, I do not really know what to make of this, but him same as a billionaire, I live billionaire life, and so I guess him can afford it. But let's see if nobody kind of complains. So ticket number 138, but that is the person who win. We don't really know if it's an actual person or one of them friend may make collect the winnings on the company's behalf. But let us see, Burritos, did you partake in it? Sound off below. Number 9, Sanchez draws.
Remember when I gave up loving you.
Me Picasso. Alright, so reggae crooner Sanchez recently posted a video showing him, doing a little bit of what you call it, like this is one another level of skill when you can just like tap into your little inner what you call it, artist by using your finger for just like touch dust. You know, say you are not a normal person. So pray.
Daddy's Instagram like can draw.
Just drawing on.
Yes, bro, I succeed.
See,
this is recording. Then I'm like, Sanchez can draw.
That's freehand, you know.
Oh, mommy.
Really nothing up on the still the ass up also.
Oh my God. That is Jesus. What? Don't ever wash your car ever again. Okay.
Alright, apart from the video now, do a still picture to please.
Yes, a still picture. Yes.
No man, that takes skill, you know, big up yourself, Sanchez. It look like say you have talent in one different area. You're a whole entire, you're not just an artist, you're an artist. You know, so what I do there? Artist, an artist. Yeah? Got school if you never get that.
Ready, set,
Number 8, Spicy Show. Marine Tintin. Alright, so I know that some of the Jamaican performers have been, yeah, them kind of ignore Corona and just try to get them money and get them coin anywhere them can. And where else but the great United States of America, because that just look like one entire free-for-all. Corona, nah keep. Alright, so Spice was there performing, and during her set, she invited this woman. And yeah, let's just see how spicy it got.
What your man name? First question. And favorite color? Blue. What favorite dish? Me.
This is exactly what I was afraid of.
No, hang up. You see, why these moments can't happen in Jamaica? Why them little festive moments here can't happen in Jamaica where the woman them just like feel confident, you know? I want to feel confident, you know, but our man did dead here, you know? Because you know, like in Jamaica, if a woman did say that, you know, the man vex, you know, because him kind of know when him reach back at work or so, you know the little strips, but the man owner up same way, suck out tongue and all of these things, so... Big up Spice and even though for real say this, but big up Spice and hopefully you stay corona free. What you think? You would own up your man like this for doing little things for you in a public? Sound off below Berry does. Alright, so people, let me tell you about a barista by the name of Anya. Now, she used to live in St. Mary and now she resides in Connecticut. And she's the proud owner of a lifestyle candy company called Natural Annie Essentials. Now just walk with me. So her team creates soy candles with a feel-good vibe. The aroma is just nice. It gives you a mood. Because the candle them just have a buzz. Now with Natural Annie Essentials, these candles, they burn slower, last longer, and with all of this, for sure you want it. So here they even ship internationally. So here, so if you want to find out more information, you can go and visit their website right here, so, and I'm going to even put it in the description, as well as you can follow their Instagram page here. No Berritos, don't go away yet. I'm gonna give you one little deal. If you use the coupon code BERRYLIT10, you can get 10% off your next purchase. So running on it right now. Natural Annie Essentials. Number 7, Peshengwengweng. My word, my sentence. So this video now I went viral with, I guess, this new upcoming artist. Let me go and give you him name, point of information, hold on. Yes, so his name is Zynthos Music, and him drop one song where I guess everybody kind of calling Peshengwengweng.
My gun goes up, Peshengwengweng. Fly past your ears, one catch your head back, make you go in at the grave. Peshengwengweng. You are run like you see, but me does a beating like slave. Peshengwengweng. I know Mr. Chin boy, I'ma tell you how this something what me bring us up. Peshengwengweng. Peshengwengweng. Hey.
Okay, I mean, no, I mean, my waffle laugh with the song, but you see, as soon as him done the Peshengwengweng, the song just get extremely dark and violent and cold and very vampire-ish and very Tamil-ish, and it just make you just want to run up in a room and just like pop out one book and reading Rainbow, and just like ask someone if she can hug you and make one little onion, little lime garlic, something for you just kind of swallow, and keep in a little throat, little bit so you get rid of all of the little bad man and the crosses, and then get a grandmother for come from country now and sprinkle little holy water and little alcohol in your face, so you can feel pure and sanctified and just like holier than thou. Yeah.
Reason when me there behind the wheels driving in a vehicle, when me no drive sidewalk.
But let me know, Berritos, were you caught up in this Peshengwengweng? Try see if you can spell it down below. Number 6, Hawkeye Management. My word, my sentence, my shensia. So recently, Ding Dong and World Dog were on a Facebook, Instagram live, and them did have like a conversation. When out of nowhere, World Dog jumped out and kind of presented this situation to Ding Dong.
New York. Think me ask you something. One like a big company and big artist like Uno. Not you. Ramesh not like get some security for sense here.
Yeah, I always have them.
So when did every minute? Me can't say. In did every minute.
No, honestly, anybody who know the entertainment scene and know the local part of them knows that every time you go on stage show, Ramesh not really the back of other artists like Shensi, I know man, like Ramesh have a favorite. It's like in the Kardashian family, like the mother kind of 10 times, 10 for have like Kim Kardashian as a favorite. Ramesh have Shensia as like, the favorite. It's like him bag and pan, him can't go nowhere. Shensia is the wind beneath him wings. It's like him, know. It's like he's a manager, and then it's like a parent. And then he's like the bodyguard, the movie with Whitney Houston, it's like all of that wrapped up in one. But yeah, Ding Dong could even say Ding Dong run off on a laugh, so I do not know. I think Ding Dong kind of pretty the same things too. But where's the burritos? Do you think this is just what managers do? Sound off below. Number 5, dance off. Me Michael Jackson. Alright, so when we tell us like even in the midst of a pandemic, Jamaicans will always find a way to entertain themselves because we are just not boring people. We don't lame. All when we're broke, we're gonna put a smile on our face when we're belly and go I just saw it on. So these two people were just like caught up in quite the dancing fever when I guess they decided to just like have a dance battle. Number 1, who to tell me who won? Pre. No, honestly, no. It's the little youth, it's the little juvie, no, I feel like I am when I think I am when burritos, or agree with me, let me know. You think the little youth or the other one really take the clash. Sound off. Promo time! Yes! Alright, so now I'm going to introduce another artist. Now, this artist goes by the name of Militant. And they have a brand new song named One Rich / Money Heist. And some people, let me tell you this, I hear the song, and me never did I expect say me ever enjoy the song so much. The song have a vibe. The song make me feel like I want to go out and party again. Like I just want to pop off my mask and just got money pull up and them look something there. But I'm not going to do it. I'm just like pretend so I can't go party. I'm just go party mentally virtual. But yeah, the song yeah slap wet. Pre.
One rich, piece picture. Money for your flow like this, me I tell you that. Go one rich, piece picture. Money for your flow like this, but I tell you about the money, make the work around. Yeah, me love the money counter. It's on anytime when girl hear that, just done.
He was even featured in the Gleaner recently where he said that he's confident that he will be the next breakout artist for 2021. And his music video concept is based on the Netflix hit show Money Heist. Alright, so if you want to watch the full video, make sure to just like, hit up here so, as well as to check out his social media here. Okay, so the artist is Militant and the song is One Rich / Money Heist. Number 4, Stress Pitney, Mickey Zada. Alright, I'm not even about to say anything, but right about now, these online classes, them don't really make for these kids because they are really going through it. Pretty this little girl. Oh gosh, man.
You work on me, Shebada said, good job.
Messiah, good job.
No, honestly, like, what more you gotta say? Like, the girl give her a break. She need a little break, man. Oh gosh. Like, how are your kids doing with this new online classes system? Let me know the burritos. Number 3, Queen New Boo. Wow. Alright, so I guess love is in the air, even though it is not February, but everybody kind of premature right now because I look like some people want to finish 2020 with a bang, B-A-N-G. And so Queenie, are as the double tap queen, crazy, never lazy, and always festive. And somebody is festive right up in our... Oh, you can't say that, Barry. Be respectful, okay? Alright.
I need fit, right.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, dude. It is really appreciated.
You remember the
dream,
dream, right? I'm believing in that.
Oh God, what a moment. This is beautiful. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
You, my father, got more to tell thanks.
Yeah, I want to tell you thanks too. What weird.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, and so, Queenie, she not hide nothing from the public. She always talk about her ups and downs in relationships. I know she introduced her new man. Her man is, must have him name, Jesus and P. Him name string, no. His name is One Connection Boss. One Connection Boss is a little, him have the little, them there. You know him have one of them little look at that time, little image. But him, him hold it and go through one thing and it look like say Queen looking at him eyes and just say, yo, you are the one for me. And him look on she and say, you are the one for me. And the two of them just like NSYNC. Bye, 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 bye. Yeah, them in love right now.
Crazy! Thank you, Dewey. Good effort, smart youth. Thank you. Acknowledge you.
All we have to do is just like embrace them, but only for naysayers on social media kind of fight against them relationship. But love Queenie. If Queenie happy and want to travel from the UK, come to Jamaica 15 million times for go and see her boo, let her do that. Queenie not trouble nobody. Loud girl make the woman live her little life, no man. Come on, man. And so Queenie go and plot up in each other ear and do a little handshell and footshell and whatever makes you happy. Live and do you.
Do I pull up the ear for me? That's it. Oh, dude, that's so. Oh my God, Queenie. Boy, when you at me that 50 years, get about at me that 51 and 3/4 years. Oh my God. God is watching us.
Alright, so now for the final promo in the social media countdown, and it is all about a barista by the name of Monique's Reality.
Hi, hello, Wagwan, and welcome to Monique's Reality, where I aim to encourage and inspire. To all my subscribers, I want to thank you so much for subscribing to my
Now, Monique should have a brand new YouTube channel, and this channel is geared towards basically talking about her physical disability and helping to encourage people on how they can deal with people with disabilities and how to motivate persons who are living with their own disabilities, because you know how we say overcome over here. So
over the years, many people have been wondering, like, how around with that girl then, why she walk the way she walks. So guess what? Today I'm going to tell you. So get some popcorn, get a comfortable chair, get something to drink, just relax and just hear what I want.
Yes, man, so make sure say go over and subscribe to Monique's Reality, because she inspire people and encourage people. And we need them little type of message there in a 2020 going into 2021. Okay? You
don't know your girl Spice and you're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked now. Spice said that.
Number 2, Spicy Love. Me quarantine. Why did I just say that? Alright, so it look like say and I just Queenie alone enjoy fair time in the November going into December. Spice, the lady of dancehall, she's enjoying for herself right now and she kind of find a new man. She posted to her social media recently this post with the caption bigging up her new boo on his birthday. Help me wish my nice clean man happy birthday to @JBudMedia. Today belongs to you, baby. I am glad we started this journey because you easily bring out the better version of me. Thank you for being such a great father figure to my kids. And right there and then, so that's a shade for Nicholas right there, so yeah. And an awesome lover to me. Watch Love Over Yasso. May I skin it out all weekend. By #Rasta Love. Wow, Spice, it look like so you find the one. And I don't know if it is just the one for the rest of the year, or the one for the Love and Hip Hop storyline, or the one for one music video, or the one for just make it just rub Nicholas the right way. But we are going to salute and congratulate you on this moment of your life. I know when Spice do like a hashtag, you know Spice is not just anything and anything. So Spice not random like that. Spice is well thought out, well planned, everything just like in advance from about 3 years ago. So this point in time she would #Rasta Love. I want song. One song goes to Rasta Love. Free.
Most God design it, cause I am in love with a Rasta man. I am in love with a
No, you know, honestly, when me hear the song there, me know the Spice in love. Like she actually in a one like a moment for true, because the song there, it's skip up a grade. You know, like me just know say this was just all emotion. You know, like emotion that we just taking at the middle of the night, or make you feel like you just want to live from town, go country, just so you can get to see the one where you love. Like and that Spice I go through when she just did do the little voice note something here right now. So I'm not really, you know, pretty song in another little way. But she and the guy who seems to be a media person, like behind the scenes, like working as a camera guy or, you know, somebody in a tech that is look like where him do for a living. She and him have been, you know, like vacationing in Mexico and having the time of their life.
Hey. Happy birthday, baby. We're in Mexico. come in. I'll play the pool. Happy birthday, baby!
Alright, so congrats, Spice. Let me know, Burritos, what you think about this. Do you think it is a real thing, a real connection thing, or I think it is just for the publicity and cameras? Sound off below. And number one goes to Shebada, Stats, and Kaylan. Woo! Whoa. But honestly, I don't know if I'm supposed to clap for this, but woo, yeah, let's talk about it. Alright, so Burritos, you must have heard about the story of 17-year-old Kaylan being jumped at a party recently by 6 adult women. Now, you know, after she was jumped at the party, she was eventually, you know, like taken to hospital where she was, you know, end up in a coma. And so the doctors basically said that she has a 1% chance of really recovering in a proper way. And so many people have been praying since then. And so in the midst of all of that, I think I even went live and to share with the Burritos. You can go up and watch that full entire live from last week, Friday, I think, where I was just like interacting and a lot of points were raised about how could, you know, this happened and nobody intervened, nobody never helped the young girl when she was on the floor for allegedly over 40 minutes. Now, in the middle of all of this, and many celebrities, you know, come online and basically, you know, praying for Kaylan and with their support and all of that, for the mother, Shebada used his platform to say this.
6 girl beat you, but not tell no lie. You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it. You can't fight run, you fuck them at work. You fuck them at work faster than your hand. You fuck them at work. You're 17, nobody now look on that. You're 17, your mother could have lose you. I bet your mother didn't give you consent to go to the dance. I bet your mother never go downtown or uptown or Middletown, go buy your outfit. I bet your mother never...
No, I don't realize some of this. This is no man, a fiction nightclub this. No man, I must fiction nightclub. I please believe it or not. No sir,
Girl, don't expect me for sorry for you. Me sorry for you? No, I'm sorry for your mother. And that's why enough people, enough boy can go to jail and walk loosely and end up dead because they know that somebody are going to bury them. They not have to fret about for them insurance. They not care about the people where they might leave behind.
I mean, it's like, how do you get to the point of even saying that say Kaylan deserved it? I mean, where is the thing here? Where's this? Where's this level of just like sympathy, empathy? Where's the heart? Where's the compassion when talking and addressing some of these stories? I mean, no man, that's not cool at all. I would even say like, yo, there's supposed to be some level of apology, but I doubt he would apologize. It's just one of them little things here was very disappointing. Very disappointing just to hear anybody to even say something like that. Everybody who I feel like has talked about the story knows that the mother even shared it, said that Kaylan won't never lie, but she's not the person to start a fight, but she's also not a pushover. So you know the whole party thing say, yo, somebody say, you know, yeah, look for me, somebody answer back something, and there is a conversation where it ends up getting a little bit, you know, like out of hand in terms of mouth to throw, and the fight go start. But that doesn't excuse anybody from just like, yo, what happened to her? Is makes sense. Like,
and she just start beat her. No, I never thought. Argument exude. So it's not like you look for me, so I'm just start beat you with the slippers in your head. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, no, go on like on the 2 downs. An argument exude.
That not take away nothing. First say, yo, the girl is deserving of being, you know, like attacked by multiple people and being left on the floor and now in hospital, you know, with a 1% chance of fully recovering. That's something that's supposed to come out of your mouth at all. That is just like reckless, and it just reeks of a certain toxicity that might exist in your heart because like, yo, this, honestly, really, it just, And so a lot of persons online are talking about, yo, cancel Shebada. I wouldn't say that Shebada should be cancelled, but like, you have to be careful about the persons who you really support and in terms of like how they use their platform to spew a certain level of negativity and a certain toxicity. You have to just be careful about who you really choose to go and support like that. And so Burritos, let me know what you think about this situation. It was never a good look. I don't like anything that was just said in that. I never liked that little part about she was deserving of it. It really, honestly, like, I could have just insert colorful words right now, but it's just like, you get me? Let me know what you thought about this burritos. Please to sound off below. Come on to hear from Uno. Whew, that was quite rough. But yeah, that's it, burritos. No, I'm honestly even in the mood for even rub up this like properly. I'm just try it. Yeah. Whew. Alright, that's it, burritos. Thanks for watching another social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button, as well as to leave a comment down below and to turn on your post notifications. And do not forget to share the video with your family and friends. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And if you want to be a part of the 10K promo that is still going on for this month into the first week of December, make sure to send me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com and you can have your ad in this social media countdown. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.